No, Edward and I must stop coming to me for advice. I was consoling him the whole evening. Guess what?
Can I make a suggestion? Let's try and do as much as we can without Ngane Doris's help.
Edward, I hope everything goes well with your family. And I'd like to spend some time with you.
You know, Brajoni, you're an ongoing issue, le family yak.
I know, Edward. And I think I should leave.
No, you've done nothing wrong. Maybe you're at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Mashudu's estate will be examined very carefully.
Oh, thank you. I just hope that you'll do what is best for the family, especially the close family.
Dipsy, I'll talk to you later.
Don't push me, Edward. You know that I can just slap her again.
You touch her, I'll sort you out. I'm tired of this nonsense.
Zino arali uyu mukua angare Catherine awulunge Mashudu. Hado toitani.
Mini? Mukua anga siyambe hejo tunakatili.
Muone basudibadibani.
Ne atipidzi uloranga haba khotsi abana banga.
Mini? Umulora?
I don't mind, my dear. I can wait for a while, and I'll come and live with you here.
Helam. Wait, Basaj. Why could I ring Marwen? Eh? Get out! Get out!
Please, okay.
Shh. King!
Babu Zondi, kungani wonke umuntu afuna ukublame mina?
Isifo phela sihamba nesinyama amachwa.
Sinyama?
Yebo.
Manje wena uyakwazi ukusikhipha?
Kuzomela nilinde kuze kudlule lento. Nigeze umufi.
Wafosa njalo Babu Zondi. Angikwazi ukulinda. Izinto zama zihambi kahle. Abantu bayangizonda.
Hayi, ayikho inkinga. Sokuhlanganisela amakhathakhatha. Enda njengami. Yenwe bantu. Siuhambile wonke umhlaba asesabi lutho. Sanqamla amagquma nezintaba. Sawela imifula nemifudlana. Sifuna amaqiniso. Khulumani ke madlozi amakhulu. Athi.
Wenze jangbuwa.
Athi makhosi amakhulu.
It is a complex situation, ma'am, but we have to think of the possibilities. The verdict might go any which way.
What are you implying?
I am your lawyer. I need to know each and everything you're planning to do, just in case.
There must be something that makes you talk like this. Do you know something that we don't?
All what I'm trying to say is that when we go back to court, I don't want any surprises. I don't even know what the judge will rule, so I need to be prepared.
I'm not sure. I'm a little confused. What do you think?
Do you want to prolong the case or just accept any court's ruling? You know, this case has been going on for 4 weeks, and your poor husband is still lying in the mortuary.
If only Doris was here. She would know exactly what to say. Agnes! Agnes! Please, Ngwanaka. Ako phonele Doris. I'd like to talk to her.
Okay.
Ngibona inkinga lapha. Kunenkinga enkulu.
Babuzondi. Ungangithusi inkinga yani manje?
Lenkinga isuke emuva kubazali bakho.
Yini? Benzeni?
Ubambaza vele. Uyakhala ukhombe emuva. Kukhona lapho ungalungiswanga khona emuva. Unhlamvini. Njoba umbone ebhekeleni ukhomba kona ungalungisiwe.
Tshelo retse jamba Babuzondi.
Kwaba khona ingxabano enkulu kubazali bakho ngesikhathi uzalwa. Indima yami ngiqedile. Nguchazele ngakutshela konke ngikutshelwe ngabaphansi. Okunye ke usiyokuthola kwabakini, kwabomndeni. Ade makhosi, hallelujah.
I feel very confident, and let's hope for the best.
Thanks very much, Mrs. Maseko. Thanks for coming.
It's a pleasure. I'll see you in court.
Right now.
Doris, ke eng jwale? Ha o dumedise le dumedise.
Maobane mantsiboa ke tswa bona Zondi hosteleng. O ntshwasitse hampe.
O bua ka eng jwale?
He said there was a major problem when I was born. What happened?
Banna, hobaneng Zondi ya batla ho tsosa taba tsa kgale? Ngwaneso, ga ona le taba tseno, ha ba dutlebe.
Helang, Tshepo. You must never. I'm the one that's suffering. You better tell me what happened.
Doris, it took me years to bring this family together. Ha ke ba ditaba tse tla qabanyang family ya rona. Ga ona le taba tseno.
Tsatsingli, o tla bonjwetsa exactly what happened there.
Ela, dumelambo.
Phela, ngwana monna.
Dumela. Thabo, we've got a lot to talk about.
Molato ke eng jwa Doris? Ha ke so qetile motsotso ke le mona so ntse ngahla ka ditaba.
Dintho di senyeile, ho dubeile.
Ro le tsona e madiberwane e bele.
Butleng bana beso. Ha re kene ka tlong.
So where's the head of the house going to?
Hey, Agnes, I don't want to fight you.
How? How come Plelo Riaka Ritalwan?
Little sister, you're twisting my words.
Oh, there's obviously one rule for men and another for women around here.
Hey, all right, if you must know, nosy, I'm going out to cool off my head. This place is driving me crazy.
Well, it's not so much fun for me either.
You see, that's how I'm going out with the guys to play basketball game.
Okay, you've earned it. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Ha mama a le pregnant ka wena, papa o la elellwa hore ha o ngwana hae.
What? What? It can be.
Ke nnete, Doris. Mme taba eo e la baka moferefere o moholo hampe ka lapeng.
Why somebody didn't say something? Ke eng ha e mong wa lona na sa njwetse? Papa. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry, Doris. Impagila ka wona.
Then, whose child am I?
Ntate Mbatha. Wa mo hopola ntate le wena hlola tla lapeng a re tisetsa dipompong re sa le bana.
Ntateo. Jwale ntate le ntate Mbatha ba ile ba qeta ka hore.
Qeto e bile hore ntate Mbatha a patale damage. Empa ha ka phethisa.
Wa bona ntate o ne a hloile ntate Mbatha ka pelo ya hae kaofela. A sa batlo mmona ka mahlo. Ke ka ho he problem ena ntse e dutse sa solve.
Ke tla tshwanela ho lokisa ditaba tsa ka potlako pele dintho di senya lo feta. O ka yena Mbatha eo. You must never.
Be butle Doris. Butle mokwebo a patwe. Ha re tlole Mavenda a pate morao wa bona ka khotso.
Mavenda ha tshwanela ho fuwa sebaka. Re tla tshwanela ho lokisa ditaba tsa tjhelete ka pele.
Hela. Tjhelete ya engwe.
Ke bua ka koloi, ka shopo, ditjhelete tsa di-investment le tjhelete ya mokgwa wa pension. Ha o bona hore Mavenda a ka nna qhekanyetsa khethi ya nka tjhelete kaofela?
Doris. Monna yane o na le bana ba bangata. Mme ke bona ba tlameileng ho benefita estateing ya hae. E seng wena.
Tshepo. Ha ke re ke batla tjhelete khethi. Nna mosebetsi wa ka ke hore ke kate khethi. Le se ka bala mfereka.
Hey, empa diketso tsa ho ha di bulele jwalo.
You must never. You must never. Never. You must never. You must never.
Hi, Edward.
Hi, Bongi. Have you seen Jackie?
Yes, he's just finishing off some work in the lab.
Is he crazy? We have to be at the basketball game in 30 minutes.
Oh, you know how dedicated he is.
I better go get him.
You see, I told you, he'll be right out anytime.
See ya, Bongi.
Bye.
Brains, you're late. Oh, okay. Excuse me, guys. That's a surprise. How did you find me?
No. Agnes told me.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Hey. Eddie, I know this is a bad time for you. But right when you the results that the talks done with Catherine.
Hey, you know, my mother is torn between what's right and the advice from her sister. Man, I really don't know what to do.
But what do you think?
Well, the more I think about it, the more I'm convinced that Papa should be buried in Venda. What testimony?
We are thinking of putting you on the witness stand.
But do you think it will really help?
Yeah, if you agree. You know, can you imagine one of Catherine as Kurukumbruri, must be buried in Venda?
That's a very difficult decision.
Oh, I hope it's tricky. I've got 2 packets.
Hello?
Hello. Can I speak to your mother, please?
No, she's not here. This is her daughter.
Don't ask questions. Just listen to the message.
Okay.
Tell your mother that if she wants to see Tumelo alive, she must come up with 10 grand tomorrow lunchtime. And don't go to the police, because one of my gang members is a police officer.
What? But where's my sister? Is she alright?
Don't worry. She will be fine as long as your mother comes up with the money.
But my mother's not rich. She can't pay you the money.
Well, that's not my problem. Let her ask Johnny.
Hello? Hello?
John, what about
Oh, yes, of course. How can I make it go back for your bereaved and widowed sister?
Oh, that. What about you're completely reliable.
What the hell are you talking about? Listen, either you stop talking in riddles or uta ka koloing.
Johnny, ke nna mothatse ba mathata hao. O na le 2 years o sa sebetse.
Le wena. You are unbelievable, you know. You persuaded me to go and help out at the store. Now there's some suspicion. Who do you support? Your boyfriend? No!
Johnny, please listen to me.
No! You listen to me. Your family and everyone who knows you are accused of interfering in everyone else's lives. They're right.
How dare you! Oh, my God!
If I hear that expression again, I will break your neck. I worked myself to stand still at that store. I called the police.
Oh, please. I've just had enough of this topic. Just drive me home. Decide.
Don't worry. The shop will never see me again. And neither will you. I can promise you that.
Good. Once a loser, always a loser.
Mama. Please,
like the hell I will. Yes, Ponise.
Mama, monna ya phone le o itse e mong wa bona ke le Ponisa. Jwale ha o ka reporta, a tla tseba.
Wa tseba zonto natisitse ha re ke la le senyama. Ke meleko.
Mama, I have to go out. I'll be back as soon as I can.
I need to talk to you, Edward. Is there something wrong?
Nani Doris has a problem.
What is it now?
Don't worry, Mama. I will sort it out.
Mamela, you can't go right now. I need to send you to the bank.
Okay, Eriki fonile Nani Doris.
They must never. 10,000 kaofela. Ke tla nka kae nna?
I don't think that will make any difference.
Ao malome o bolelang.
I don't want to sound pessimistic here, but Hello?
Hello, Nani Doris. I'm really sorry to hear about this.
Hey, o ka se ka dumela Edward. Batho bana ba batla 10,000. Re tlo etsa jwang?
Hey, banna. Bana ro tla nka kae tšhelete kana he? Is malome Tshepo there?
Ako bua le yena ke eno teng. Ke Edward.
Eddie, monna, kidnapper tsane monna di nana gore Johnny o ntse tšhelete e ngata shopong, mme a share Doris.
I don't understand you people. The more he tries to help, the more we kick him in the teeth.
I
don't think so, Malome. Johnny is a good person. He's been very helpful at the store. I think I'll find him. I'll come back to you.
Please try hard, Eddie.
Okay, bye.
Give me legal, man. They must never, ever, ever.
I've never liked that Johnny guy.
Mujelo ke se ba kwa sa khale. Wa mona le mahlo mona hore ha di hadikela o di. Yena le metswalle ya hae khale ba tshotla ka dibanka. Ba le re motsato jwa motho.
Nna ke mlele tsora ska ba hlola tla honna. Le mane shopong a ska ba hlola belo to la hae.
And what if he knows something?
Nice talking to you again, Abby.
Keep in touch, Johnny. But remember, you must stop involving yourself with Tories.
Thanks, man. Hey, see you soon.
See you, Johnny.
All right, bye, Abby.
Hey, how's it?
Shaboring, Eddie.
Okay. Good about Johnny.
How? I'm going to go. What's on? No. I'm checking it out again.
Okay, thanks. Sharp. Hey, Rajon.
Hi, Edward.
How's it?
Fine, how are you?
Okay. You know what? We have a serious situation. Have you seen Witumel in the last 24 hours?
Hey, wait a minute. I did see with some guy this morning.
No, no, that's impossible. This morning.
She went into a house not far from here.
We've got to get her. Can you show me the house?
Sure. What the hell is going on?
I'll tell you on the way. Let's go.